Hello people, how are we? Right, I'm decided I want some fish and chips, so I'm going to go back to a place that I've been to before, but it's been taken over, so by the guy who used to cook the fish and chips there. So we're going to Great Moor Fish Bar and I'm going to try fish chips, mushy peas. I think that'll do us today. So I'd love you to come with me. So come on guys, let's go to Great Moor. We're approaching now Dog and Partridge on the right, Great Moor Fish Bar should be on the left. Look at this little space for me as well. Oh, there's a little seat outside. We're going to make use of this. Right, so let's go and have a look at this place. See if it's changed any. Come on guys, let's go and have a look in here.
So don't put us on a video, please.
No, I won't put you on it. How are we?
How are you, okay?
Yeah, you?
Good, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah.
Nice.
Looking nice.
Always.
Football?
Yeah.
Can't beat a bit of football. We can have a drink. What are we gonna get? I'm gonna get just a bottle. Diet Coke. Diet Coke.
No chips for that.
Oh, I'm in slice.
About 5 minutes. Alright, bye.
You don't mind being on it though, do you?
Yeah, you can see that on it as well.
No, just don't take any faces.
No.
You can do it, I'm not.
Just a menu.
I'm not bothered.
Yeah, Louise, take Louise.
Yeah, get Louise on. It's Tracy in the back. Been working all day. No, it's 9:30 this morning working. Right, it's pretty people though, don't they? All sells them. Are you having salt and vinegar on yours?
Here we go, look at this. Thank you very much. Look at this, we're going to sit outside in the sun. We better sit this side really. Oh, look at this. Doesn't it?
Sorry, I'll be quiet.
No, you're alright, you can get in on the video. Bit of lemon. Tartar sauce. This fish. There it is, guys. The white gold. The crunchiness of this. Let's have a bite. Mushy peas. Nice and green. And the crunchiness of that fish. Superb. That is delicious. And the size of the fish is huge. And these chips. Oh, proper chips. Proper chips, it's amazing guys, honestly. Such a difference when you get proper chips. And they are proper chips. Look, the chip test. Look at that. Amazing. That is delicious. Look at this fish in the batter. And of course, the white gold. People coming out with scallops, and all sorts. Just look at this, guys, look at this. Proper white gold, covered with sauce. That is delicious. Lovely, thick, mushy peas. And I know. And a lovely bottle Diet Coke, which I've just spilled. Look at this, guys. Let's take this batter off here to reveal. You know it. Look at all that white gold. Delicious. Like I said, been here before. This is under new hands now. Guy called Bez. Been cooking fish and chips for donkey's years. And he is a master at it. He's got it off to a T. Chips. Some nice colour on them. Fish. Superb. Can't fault it. Especially this, the mushy peas. And they've had it in a tray, sat outside the shop, because it's a nice and sunny evening. That is delicious, guys. The chips really well cooked, and they've got that crispiness about them, because as one of my viewers pointed out the other day, we all go on about cooking the perfect chips, the crunchiness, and then we pour vinegar all over it, and he's right, and I've not had vinegar. And you've still got that crunchiness, but you've got the salt. So, bob on. For this hollandaise sauce as well, which is homemade on the premises. Well, guys, he's beat me, but I've not done too bad, have I? Score-wise, I like this, just a little seat out here. Be 2 seats, so if you stop by, have a nice little romantic meal. If Random and Desperate was here, I'm sure he would. Yeah, score-wise, I say a good 9 out of 10 for me, that. A good 9. So get yourselves down here, stop messing about. It's on the A6, Great Moor. It's a fish bar. Brilliant stuff, dead friendly stuff, and There's nothing more really I can say. I'll try and squeeze one more chip in. Right, so a 9 out of 10, but it was really nice, and I love that little bit where you could sit outside, and I was talking to the lady who does deliveries for them. So yeah, they do deliveries. She did say roughly about 3 miles, but they will go a little bit further. So if you want out, you can give them a ring as well, and I'll put the phone number in the description underneath. So if you fancy some fish and chips and you can't be bothered going out, this is the place. Beautiful fish and chips. The peas were nice, they were thick. I like mine runny, but then again I'll eat them thick, and I know a lot of you like thick mushy peas. So get yourselves down to Great Moor Fish Bar. See you on next one, peeps.